Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to create a successful YouTube channel in 2025. Starting a YouTube channel can seem daunting, right? You've got the cameras, the lights, the editing software, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it looks. Whether you're into tech reviews, gaming, or just want to share your thoughts with the world, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get your channel up and running, from finding your niche to hitting that upload button. So let's dive in. First things first, you've got to figure out what your channel is all about. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Could be anything. Gaming, cooking, tech reviews like I do, anything. Find that thing that gets you fired up, because that enthusiasm, that's what's going to resonate with your audience. Once you've got your niche, think about what kind of content you want to create. Are you going to do tutorials, reviews, vlogs? This is going to help you narrow down your focus and attract the right viewers, people who are actually interested in what you have to say. Now that you know your niche, let's talk about your audience. Who are these people you're trying to reach? Are they tech savvy or beginners, young, old, somewhere in between? Understanding your audience is key. It'll help you tailor your content to their interests, and that's how you keep them coming back for more. Think about it. You wouldn't use super technical jargon if you're explaining something to someone new to tech, right? All right, time to get your hands dirty and build that channel. Head over to YouTube, sign in with your Google account, and hit that Create a Channel button. It's pretty straightforward. You'll need to choose a name that's catchy, memorable, and represents your brand. Don't overthink it though. Just choose something you're happy with and move on to the next step. Now that you have a channel, let's get it ready for viewers. Think of it like decorating your new apartment. You want it to look good, right? Add a banner image, a profile picture, and write a compelling channel description that tells people what you're all about. Make sure to include some keywords related to your niche so people can easily find you in search results. Trust me, good channel art goes a long way. Here's the fun part, making videos. Remember that niche you chose and the audience you defined? This is where it all comes together. Make sure your videos are high quality, well lit, and most importantly, engaging. Use jump cuts, B-roll footage, music, whatever you need to keep your viewers hooked. And hey, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different video styles, see what works best for you and your audience. Raw footage is like unpolished diamonds. You need to cut and shape them to really make them shine. That's where editing comes in. A good edit can make all the difference. It's about pacing, it's about cutting out the fluff and highlighting the good stuff. Learn the basics of your editing software and don't be afraid to experiment. There are tons of free and paid editing programs out there, so find one that works for you and your budget. All right, you're almost there. You've got your video edited and ready to go, but hold your horses. Before you hit that publish button, let's make sure it's optimized for discovery. Create a catchy thumbnail that will grab people's attention. Write a title that's clear, concise, and uses relevant keywords. Don't forget to add tags, a detailed description, and even some relevant hashtags. This will help people find your video when they're searching on YouTube. Oh, and one last thing. Set your video to private for at least 24 hours before making it public. This will give YouTube time to scan it for any copyright issues. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on how to grow your YouTube channel. Please watch our next video for more tips on growing your channel, especially if you're just starting out. Remember, starting a YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you don't get thousands of views overnight. Just keep creating great content, engaging with your audience, and stay consistent with your uploads. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. See you in the next video.